Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find and change Instagram password. If you are using Instagram and you want to change your password, so let's see how can you do that. If you have forgotten your password, so you can still change your password on Instagram. So just open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile picture and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And from here select account center, then select password and security option. And here you will get the option of change password. Just tap on it, then select your Instagram profile, and here you will get three sections. The first, you have to enter your current password, then new password, and then retype your new password. So first of all, you have to enter your current password. If you haven't remembered, so you must have to go back. If you're using any Android or iOS or you're using your Google account, so your password may be saved to your Google account. So you must have to open your Google app, and here just tap on your profile in the top right corner. Then select manage your Google account here, and from here you will get password manager. Just tap on it and then select Instagram, and here if you have want to add some settings, so you must have to go for settings, and here in my phone there is an issue to make a password. So you must have to make a screen lock password. Once you have that, just enter your password here and you'll get that. Here you can easily see your Instagram password. Just tap on this eye icon. Once you have, you can easily copy that from here. Now open the Instagram app and here just enter or paste your copied password, and here you just have to enter your new password. Once you have entered your new password, you must have to retype your new password here. Once you have entered, you must have to tap on the change password option and your password will be changed. So that's how you can easily find and change your Instagram password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.